And back home, there was widespread disruption across Guys Hill, St. Catherine today after taxi operators withdrew their service for hours in the morning. The Guys Hill High School had to close its doors for the entire day as students and staff were left stranded, while dozens of students were absent from the Guys Hill Primary School. Kalisha Williams has the story.
This is where it started, the New Works Main Road in St. Catherine. Taxi drivers withdrew their service to unite for a single cause. Around them, telltale signs that their concerns are valid.
Not just big when an election or when a Christmas. You road need to maintain. So this is a chance, you representative, take charge of it and give somebody you work who want it for either maintain the road. You understand what I say? Simple maintenance can hold this road.
Last week I 40,000 spent on my front end of my boss. Whole front end. Right now garage man there, he might be giving back customer money because too much parts me are buying. Sorry for me. By the time you're fixing up, bar giant, rocking, ready for change again. Strut mount, everything. I leak out. Because you can't see road or river coast you're driving. We don't go want a goggles and fish gun to start catch fish out of them patrol, my boss.
The taxi operators who ply the Guys Hill to Linstead route told TVJ News that the road only gets minor repairs in January and it is not the government's initiative.
Most of this road is only when cane crop started. These cane farmer man come and full up the road, them truck have to pass through with the trailer truck them. Otherwise, from that, it's pure patrol we now every day.
And with the taxi operators out, many people, including students, were left stranded. In fact, the Guys Hill High School was forced to close. We unsuccessfully tried to get a comment from the high school. However, at the primary school, although classes were in session and all the teachers made it to school by carpooling,
for some students, they were unable to be in. Parents called in to say they could not come because of the taxi situation. So we currently have 77%, so 3/4 roughly.
The challenge, though, is that there are already warnings that the protest could continue, so there's doubt about what will happen at the schools for the remainder of the week. In the meantime, Councillor for the Treadways Division, Sidney Rose, said he has been in contact with the National Works Agency's parish manager for St. Catherine.
I did call him back today and I told him of the situation, read the roadblock, and he would have shared with me that they have no funds at the moment to treat with these roads. And I can tell you, the roads are in a very deplorable condition, and I am in sympathy with the taxi operator and also the commuting public.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.